Here we are with tech tip number 6. I'm going to show you something new called Flippity. Now Flippity is a website that I found that's it's just flippity.net, and so all you need to do is you're going to take Google spreadsheets and you can make them into flashcards, quiz shows, memory games, whatever you like. Today we're going to focus on this one right here. This is Flippity Random Name Picker. If you click on here, you can get the demo or the instructions, but I have already done this for everybody because I needed very quickly to be able to put kids into groups for robots and coding and everything. So I made one for every classroom, but if you want to know how to do it, you just would click on instructions, and they even give you a template, and then you just publish it, and then you get the link. So what I have done is I've taken everybody's that I've made and put in, I have all your kids already in one, and so I'm just going to show you Groovy. So if I click on her name, it's going to go right to her Flippity that has been made, Groovy Random Name Picker. So here's our spinner, so if I can just spin it, and it will just spin, of course, like this, and then when it stops, oh, that's the person that gets to do it. Now down here, I can also do a single name if I just want to pick one single name. You notice right down here is your little refresh, reshuffle. So it just reshuffles. If I need to do a lineup, I can line them up quickly in that whatever line I like. If you want groups of 2, so here's my groups of 2 really quickly. If I want groups of 3 fast, of course you can do groups of 4, groups of 5. So you just will quickly put them into groups for you. Now, if you want teams 2, now say you don't want team 1 and team 2 because you want this one to be team, maybe you want them to be team red, and this to team B, team blue. You just switch them. You can just type right in there. If you want 3 teams, 4 teams, 5 teams, every time you just refresh it and it reshuffles them and puts them into different groups. So it's a very fast way. You can also do a seating chart. If you want to add a row to one side, delete a row, or add a row to the bottom. Like I said, every time you just refresh it down here. So I have already made these for everyone. Now somebody asked the question, what happens if you have a kid move? Then you need to go into the spreadsheets. And I have shared this whole folder with you in the Campbell Teachers Google Classroom. So I've shared the name picker symbol, so that's how you can get your link to yours. And then right here I've shared the folder that has all the spreadsheets. So the folder looks like this and has all the spreadsheets. So you're going to find your spreadsheet. And I know Groovy has a kid moving, so Rodrigo's moving this week. So I'm going to click on Rodrigo and delete him. Now, I can't have any spaces because it will just take it and act like the line is over here. So I need to take the one from the bottom and just delete her and move her up. So there can't be any random spaces in the line of names. So then I can go up to Groovy and I would just refresh it. Now, Rodrigo is not on there anymore. So it's a very fast way. You can just take them out really quickly. Here's the symbol. So you can just you can open it up, and then you can just grab it and drag it down to your desktop, and that will save it down there so you can easily do that. You can bookmark it, whatever you need to do to yours, so you can get to it really quickly. So it's just an easy, fast way to do a random name picker or put kids into groups. It's very fun. So this is the symbol, and it's shared already in this Google Campbell Teachers Classroom. If for some reason you're not a student in there, you need to be a student, just email me and I can add you as a student. Or also, Jill's going to put it on the Google Sites Campbell website so that you can get to it from there too. So there's 2 ways that you'll be able to use it and get to it. So it's kind of a little present for you. Have fun exploring Flippity this week.